Hi, it's Chris with WTI. If you're looking for a versatile and portable light for your camera, look no further than this credit card sized Lume Cube Bicolor Mini LED light. By turning a dial on the side of the light, you can adjust the brightness from 1% to 100%, giving you total control over the lighting effect. I like that you can also adjust the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, creating different moods and atmospheres. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 14 hours on a single charge. You can also plug in a charger to this micro B port on the side of the light and use it for longer sessions. I really like that it comes with this light panel diffuser to soften the light. It also has this shoe mount hole adapter, so you can easily attach it to your camera, tripod, or in my case, a GoPro attachment. This adapter allows me to put this light anywhere, even on the brim of my cap, so I can see what I am doing in the dark. How cool is that? This is a must-have accessory for any content creator who wants to take their work to the next level. But that's just my point of view.